The single most asked about item that we keep in this car are these neck pillows. And these neck pillows are really, in my opinion, you kind of need these with the Model 3, especially with the Model 3. Just where my back hits, your head goes all the way back. In the Model Y, these are perfect. They really help your neck out. Let me show you what you do with these. Really simple. Maybe you can come around here and see. You just put it right there. And then when you come around, you can see exactly how they layer in. Now this particular brand is Gigi, G-I-G-I. They have a number of different ones. I'll put a couple of links in the Amazon store so you can pick them out, but these are great. Welcome to another episode of Out of Spec Dave, where today I'm going to be taking you through all the different accessories that we have modded out, tricked out this brand new 2026 Model Y rear wheel drive premium with. Now, it comes with a bunch of stuff, which is good, but there's a lot of extra things that I would recommend that you also keep on hand in your car. So this will be a quick one, at least for my style, and I want to really take you through all these different items that I personally think you should have in whether it's your Model Y or your any car. So let's go through it. All right, so the first modification I would highly recommend you do is to put in a set of floor mats. Personally, I like the 3W floor mats. They're super easy to put in. I could show you. They've got them in the front, they got them in the rear, they got a piece for under the frunk, behind the trunk, all the way, even the back of the seats. Really good stuff. You just pop them in and they go in there. The floor mats that come with the Model Y, they're just carpeted. They're okay, but I would recommend upgrading to a different type of floor mat, and I'd highly recommend the 3Ws. The next item, these are two things that I believe you always want to have with you. The first comes with the car, which is the J1772 to NACS or Tesla adapter. And these things, if you lose it, they're $50, and it comes with the car. So you want to make sure you keep that in the car. Personally, I would not keep that underneath the rear. What I would do is keep that up in the front of the, maybe in the center console or something like that. So when you pull in to a hotel and they only have J1772, you can charge. The next thing is that if you want to actually charge at a CCS charger, like an Electrify America or any of the EVgo stations that are just purely CCS, you want to get this adapter that goes CCS to NACS. These things, this is what's called the Combo 1 adapter that is from Tesla itself. It's about $150. I would highly recommend that you check that out, or you could buy an aftermarket one as well. They're pretty much common. The second thing I have from Tesla is this air pump that, I'm gonna have a tire theme going on here. So this air pump, this air compressor, it's battery operated, and in case you need to put a little bit of air in your tires, you can do that, which is good. The other alternative, and we've featured Fantic a number of times on the channel, this little air compressor is really good to have. Personally, this is a nice one because you can use it as a battery pack, and it's got USB-C in and USB-A out, or it's really a great unit. There's also a little light on there as well. In addition to Fantic with the air compressor, they have this nice vacuum cleaner that I just used. And you turn it on. It's got a couple of speeds. Really good. This thing sucks. All right, now, everybody always complains about out of spec, we don't actually have clean windshields when we're doing road trips. Well, guess what? That's maybe we will clean the windshields once in a while with this thing. I just bought this at a local auto parts store. You could probably get these on Amazon. A lot of these parts, a lot of these things, if you check out our store in the Amazon store in the link below, you get good discounts on them. But this is just a thing to keep your windshield clean, which I think is good. Now, this is something that, for those of you who remember my Ioniq 5 video where my 12-volt battery died, this is something that I bought off of Amazon. It's a Type S device that will actually jumpstart your car. And even though you have a huge battery pack in this vehicle, there is a 12-volt battery also in this car. And I would recommend that you always keep this, this kind of a little jumper with you in a car. And again, I use this to even get out. I was basically couldn't start my car, couldn't even get into it. So I use this. Now, the other thing is I've got this first aid kit right here, which I think is important to keep in. Just, you know, it doesn't matter what brand it is, but just keep a first aid kit in the car in case you need something like that. I've got this sort of lug bolt. This is to, if you need to change your tire or what have you, I just keep this in the car as well. I also have a jack here that I purchased on Amazon. It's the IMAYCC. It's really, it's decent, it's nice. There are also little pucks that you can get to put under, these rubber pucks, so that when you're jacking it up, I need to get a set of those myself. Now, I'm not carrying a spare tire in this vehicle. I probably should and probably will. That'll be a different one. I know that I'm probably gonna check out the Modern spare tire. I think that's a much smaller tire, but if you're going on a long road trip, do yourself a favor and keep a tire jack. And also, when you're actually gonna go ahead and change the tire, you wanna make sure you get these so that the car doesn't roll on you as well. Now, it's good to have always a little duct tape. You never know, right? And then a tire pressure gauge. The one nice thing about this Fantic tire pressure or tire inflator is that it'll tell you and it'll stop. You can digitally dial it in, but I like to have a backup tire gauge as well. The last thing that you always want to keep with you is, and this comes with the car, is the EVSE. This is the mobile connector that was for level 2. So this is a nice device just to keep with you at all times. And personally, what I like to do is I like to keep all of these things, with the exception of the charging adapters, in the underneath the rear, so that you don't really have to access them all that often in case you're traveling or keeping a lot of stuff in your car. But I like to keep the front open for groceries. And so that's really kind of what I'm thinking about. So listen, if you're, no matter what car it is that you have, consider getting a whole bunch of these different things. Or the single most asked about item that we keep in this car are these neck pillows. And these neck pillows are really, in my opinion, you kind of need these with the Model 3, especially with the Model 3. Just where my back hits, your head goes all the way back. In the Model Y, these are perfect. They really help your neck out. Let me show you what you do with these. Really simple. Maybe you can come around here and see. You just put it right there. And then when you come around, you can see exactly how they layer in. Now this particular brand is Gigi, G-I-G-I. They have a number of different ones. I'll put a couple of links in the Amazon store so you can pick them out. But these are great. I mean, we use these all the time. I especially liked it in my Model 3. But I also think that the rake of the way the seat goes back and the way the headrest is, it just leaves so much room for your head. Just, it's not comfortable. With these things, it is spot on perfect. Two other things that I would highly recommend you get are these little trays. I got them directly from Tesla because they fit perfectly. I'm not sure if there are aftermarket ones on the Amazon store, but when you open up the center console, it's super deep in the Y. And then this also is in the center console, but in front of the cup holders. And I like having these because otherwise small items, they just get lost and you can never find them down there. The one thing that this holds that I love is quarters for when I need to go to the laundromat after Bailey maybe makes a little mistake on some of the sheets on our bed. I know you're not going to let me put that in, but the most important thing. So anyway, I would recommend both of these things just to keep your spare change or maybe a pen or glasses, or I also keep my card to get into my parking garage every day right in there nice and handy. Okay. It's important to note that these items will fit in either the Model 3 or the Model Y. They're the same exact piece on the brand new Model 3s or Ys, and they fit perfectly in there. So listen, if you're in the market for accessories, this is all you need right here. There could be some others that you put in the description below what you have in your Model Y or Model 3, or for that matter, any car. I have this waterless wash, which is nice to have. So on the road, if you get a bird dew or something like that, you can wash it off and then keep a couple of rags or some paper towels in there as well. And then also a generic bottle of Windex is fine. I keep this brand here. It doesn't matter what brand it is, but just get a brand that you like of windshield washer fluid, or windshield cleaner, and then also car wash stuff. And of course, don't forget paper towels. These have been in my car for the last year and a half. They look like I didn't really ever use them. Probably should have. Anyway, with all of these items, I wish you the best of luck in your accessorizing, your modifications, but these are just some of the thoughts that we have and the things that we keep in our car. So have a great day. Thanks again for watching another episode of OUTOFSPEC Dave. We're super excited that we've got this brand new Y. It really is a sweetheart of a ride. All right, so anyway, take care. We'll catch you in the next one.